This third showcase event is really a transition from our first cohort of 17 PhD researchers. We have recruited a new cohort of 10 PhD researchers, and they'll be starting over the next couple of months, and some of them are here today.
One of the great things about the GRIP program is how it's bridging so many things that we want to do as a university. It's across two faculties, engineering and science, and again, this is a really important thing of how universities operate today, looking at the interfaces between disciplines and how we can use the strengths of engineering and science and other faculties together to solve the problems that are really facing society today and facing industry.
Being part of the GRIP has helped me greatly in my career, so I'm now employed by the company that I was partnering with during the PhD and continuing my research from my PhD.
It gave me two different types of perspectives in terms of whether I wanted to pursue a career in academia or a career in industry. And at this stage I had a taste for both, and so I was able to make the choice much better.
The Monash University economist Jacob Madsen was quoted last week as saying that, I quote, R&D was a critical part of moving the economy away from the mining sector, which has led productivity gains and dominated exports while leaving Australia with few globally competitive technology firms.
I think PhD researchers are expert innovators. They develop problem-solving skills, analytical skills and other soft skills during their PhD that are of great benefit to industry.
With recent changes to the research block grants, recent changes around the measurement of impact and engagement, federal government has clearly flagged that they want universities to diversify away from a dependency on federal government funding of research.
And chemistry, as we all know, plays a really important role in all of our lives, and we know how important innovation is to drive growth and build a competitive advantage in global and domestic markets. It's also key to addressing some of the global challenges we're facing, including issues related to climate change and sustainability.
So for me, the GRIP has really helped me mould myself to think in a different way, building that mindset that you're not a PhD student, you're a PhD researcher. This is more of moulding your career, moulding how you think, thinking in a different way, thinking in an innovative way. So I've loved being in the GRIP program.
Your skills are valued inside an organisation like KPMG. Coming and thinking about these problems and helping from that perspective to come up with solutions is highly valuable.